Hi guys, I come back. Hi guys, my name is Yam Yam Tintili, and if it's not your first time coming across this channel, welcome back, Mdase. And if it is your first time, I hope you do consider pressing the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It won't charge you anything. And please remember to press the like button and please leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. So, in today's video, let's discuss what's happening. Today silapha sisekhaya khulu. Ikhaya khulu ke abanye abantu bazothi my grandparents' house, my grandmother's house, but apha ekhaya ke we don't use those terms. Ba ndikwamakhulu ndisento, we just say I'm at home. Yeah, so silapha ke. Sizawudibana apha. What's happening is Uyomi turned 12 years on Wednesday. Today it's Saturday. She turned 12, but of course because abafundi apha mos abantu bakude, so and also during the week we can't be celebrating birthdays during the week if sibe busy ngento zesikolo, and also people are going to work. Kubusy phakathi evekini mntase. So because of that, so Uyomi wacela kuba okay, ibirthday yakhe it can be celebrated over the weekend and ucela izokwenziwa up ekhaya khulu, and then wathi ucela kwenziwa ipijama party apha eRhode kwamakhulu. So we are all meeting here today kuzo celebrate ke ibirthday kaYomi. Nothing big, it's just like a get together nje yethu because it's just us family really, and it's not even all of us, it's just ababalapha like thina silapha like around esingekho kude, and then because abanye they are like very far to be traveling for just nje. It's not something huge, you know. We're just celebrating nje birthday yomntana. She's turning 12. She already turned 12. We're just celebrating it today. So I just thought mandenze intro ngoku and welcome you guys properly into the video. So because I know once everyone gets here, kuzawuba hectic, there's gonna be a lot of noise, kuzawuba raw. We won't be able to like understand each other. So I thought let me just do the intro now, explain what's gonna be happening. Celebrate birthday kaYomi. She's turning 12, you know. And then I'm here with Uko no Anota, no Malumukona, and then Usis is gonna be coming also later with Naye Abakabantwana, and then Uyomi is gonna be coming later, no Tataki. Uyomi, the birthday girl, is gonna be coming later on. No Tataki. Tataki is my cousin brother Ucina. You'll see them. They're also gonna be coming later on, and then we're gonna according to 10 bantase ibirthday yomntana and uthi ufuna ipijama party, and then sizobraya yiloo nto nje qha. We're just gonna chill as a family really. Akho nto ingaphi koko, but I thought why not share it with you guys, you know. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's a Saturday. That's what we're doing. We're celebrating. We're having a pijama party, celebrating Uyomi turning 12 years. So celebrate it with us. Hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, please remember to comment, and please, most importantly, remember to subscribe. Check if you are subscribed, and please subscribe. It's absolutely free, Bantasi. It won't cost you even a pain. Yeah, yes, pain. So yeah, must demand in later on, Bantasi, when everybody gets here, celebrating it birthday gayo. Sharp. Uphi no birthday girl? Uphi no birthday girl? Isizukulwana ungukhokho ngoku. Ungukhokho. Nanso ke sayina yini. Hailey. Hayi iveki yonke le akuyo overnight bag. I-overnight bags azange zaba nje ude kune-camp chairs. Hayi niyaphosisa. Ndithi ke ntombi sidibene ngawo. Uziva njani? Ibirthday kaYomi. Uhappy? Hayi ke sana. Uzoba nangaphi ke no? We are gathered here today. Egameni lika
Yomelela.
Happy birthday. Hey guys, please excuse the light. I look dark. I just wanted to show you guys the decor. We're busy doing the decor now. It's around what time? I don't know. It's probably around 7 at night. The pajama party hasn't started. We're still busy with decor. Utrina is still busy with the bride outside. So I'm gonna show you guys the decor now, and then I'm gonna take you outside. We're gonna see ba ibride yona iqhuba njani phandle. So
Guys, we are decorating, so it's pink and white. If you can see, this is pink and white. Yebo.
Yo, niyasebenza mos sekugcwele ibhedi. Nazezi.
Amazinyo abuhlungu. Amazinyo akhathana.
Ukhathana?
Noma nenze kwanto.
Shame askisi. Abantu abekho.
Why don't you invite more than 8 people?
Basasendleleni osisi noNceba bayeza.
Aza nobanana.
Ungenza ubuzobe seyileni.
Adiba, aza banana. Aza banana.
Hayi ke. Pajama party bandase. Kwenza ba just uba ubambe. Kodwa at least kunomoya. Uzobamba. Uvama senza ngantoni? Yo, ngeke sivasiwe nje izandla. Bethi nani inyama yebrayi. Sizobraya. Master. Bathi nguStar. Beka inyama elahleni. It's that time. Guys, we haven't even started this part and it's already like after 7 p.m. Hey, hey. We're not sleeping today. Akulalwa namhlanje warhada. Eh? Hey, baninzi naba Prime Master sekukhona omnye ngoku. Hey, niyasityisa amalahle nisincede. Kwayeleni uba endaweni ekubraywa kuyo kugcwale kanje. Bonke abantu bazogada inyama. Bazogada inyama bonke abantu aba.
Hayi siyadlala.
Hayi bo. Hayi. Uthi ikhona into enje? Hayi ayikho kwayile. Ayikho kwayile. Wonke umuntu uzogada inyama ebraya. Ayikho into esayitya eziplatini. Hayi sana. Asoze. Natsi ibray ke guys. Kwaphakwa kwagqitywa. Kwaphakwa kwagqitywa. Mabatye abantu. We are using takeaway containers because I mean, banozohlamba izitya. Who's gonna be washing the dishes? Epati.
Malume ebukhwele lo mbuzo awuqala kawuhlebe egqolweni ngokuthi
Happy birthday! Ina Nancy.
Chodź mama lejo. Mama chodź lejo. Patrz pana.
Soraya zaten kuruluyor. Zaten kan bildiğin
nje. Atamashumi makube nje. Atamashumi makube nje. Atamashumi makube nje. Ndizayibetha le brutal fruit. Makube nje. Atamashumi 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 makube nje. Washa! Makube nje. Atamashumi makube nje. Atamashumi makube nje. Guys, it's the morning after the night before.
It's been tough. We're going through a lot.
Hayi. Sivuke ekuseni siyokhangela imibeko. Akho nto idlula umbeko. Ibhaba laza. Ari butlogele. Asibiyekeni guys.
We must first
Must
take
be
the
a girl.
weights.
Yo. Siye kitchen siqoqa kwanto.
Akwazi mthana uyaphuma ngoku.
Yo.
Hayi. Yaphuma lephela phela behave iyadala.
It's 6:30 in the morning. Yo. Guys, akuse bright. Guys, we are playing with 30 seconds and Jonga. It's a disaster. It's a disaster. It's a morning after birthday party, pajama party. So we're playing 30 seconds.
Okay, miyeka gese ke ufuna ugesi.
Hayi mna ndima ndifuna uthatha ividiyo manje.
Siye.
Hey.
Angeke
Ulo kwaphi nale uRonaldo wase Argentina.
Hayibo, kuba lobethu umntana.
Ama-China. Chinese. China. What? Indonesia. What? Ama-China.
7, 6,
Yo.
5,
Ama-China.
four,
Ama-China.
Ama-China futhi.
One.
Japan.
Yeah.